In our previous class, we discussed the topic of water. Water is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless liquid. Water is a liquid, it can be found naturally. Examples of water: river water, rainwater, etc. In today's class, we will discuss the topic of uses of water. 1. Water is used for washing. 2. Water is used for cooking. 3. Water is used for cleaning. 4. We use water to bathe. 5. We use water to water our crops. 6. Water is used for drinking by man and animals. 7. We use water to generate electricity. Water packaging. This is water that has been treated and disinfected, then put into plastic or glass bottles or sachets for our consumption. Reasons for packaging water. 1. We package water to keep it clean. 2. To keep water free from germs and other contaminants. 3. We package water to prevent it from smelling. 4. To keep it safe. Features of safe packaging water. 1. It is colorless. 2. The bottle or sachet is well sealed. 3. Safe packaged water is tasteless and has no smell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.